Gentlemen, imagine this. The secret to boosting your testosterone could be right there in your kitchen. Yes, olive oil, the same simple ingredient you probably use every day for cooking, could be your key to regaining strength, energy, and vitality. No expensive pills, no complicated supplements, no restrictive diets. Just a few minutes and a handful of natural ingredients that are easy to mix at home. I am Dr. Jennifer, a urologist with over 10 years of experience helping men restore their vitality. Today, I am going to share with you a straightforward, powerful combination that will not only help raise your testosterone levels but also protect your prostate and bring back the drive you thought was lost. Stick with me until the end, because I'll not only show you how to prepare this simple, natural remedy, but also reveal the best time and method to take it for maximum results. This is about restoring what age and lifestyle may have taken away, and I promise it's easier than you think. Before we dive into the recipe, let's take a moment to understand why testosterone is so crucial. Testosterone is much more than just a sex hormone. It plays a vital role in keeping your muscles strong, your bones dense, and your belly fat in check. It even helps maintain mental clarity, focus, and sharpness. More than that, testosterone influences your mood, your energy levels, and your overall motivation. But here's the reality. After the age of 50, testosterone naturally declines by about 1% each year. For some men, this decline is even more rapid due to stress, poor diet, lack of sleep, or ongoing health issues. Low testosterone doesn't just affect your libido, it impacts every aspect of your life. It weakens erections, slows recovery, and leaves you feeling drained and sluggish. The good news is, it doesn't have to stay this way. Now, here's the good news. Research consistently shows that lifestyle and nutrition play a critical role in restoring testosterone production in many men. One of the most effective and natural tools is olive oil, especially when combined with the right supporting ingredients. Studies have found that men who incorporate olive oil into their diets regularly tend to have significantly higher testosterone levels and increased luteinizing hormone levels. Luteinizing hormone is key as the signal that prompts your body to produce testosterone. Olive oil helps keep that signal strong and steady, ensuring your body has what it needs to maintain healthy testosterone levels. So, by adding olive oil to your daily routine, you're not just nourishing your body with healthy fats, you're actively supporting your hormone production. Olive oil is a powerhouse of healthy monounsaturated fats. These are the good fats that support your heart and your hormones instead of harming them. These fats are the building blocks your body uses to create testosterone. You see, testosterone is made from cholesterol, and the type of fat you consume directly affects whether your body has the right materials to produce it efficiently. When you add high-quality olive oil to your diet, you are fueling your body with the very fats it needs to produce more testosterone. But it doesn't stop there. Olive oil also contains polyphenols, powerful antioxidants that fight inflammation. Here's why that's crucial. Inflammation in the testicles can harm the Leydig cells, which are the cells responsible for producing testosterone. By reducing inflammation, olive oil essentially shields these cells, allowing them to keep working properly and produce testosterone without disruption. This means your testosterone production stays strong, smooth, and consistent, helping you feel more energized, focused, and youthful. Let's start with extra virgin olive oil, not the cheap stuff, but cold-pressed, high-quality olive oil. This oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, the healthy fats that your body needs to produce testosterone. It's not just tasty, it fuels your hormone production and supports your overall health. Next, we have garlic. It contains allicin, a compound that lowers cortisol, the stress hormone that fights your testosterone. It also improves blood circulation, which means better stamina and performance. Garlic is a simple, natural way to keep your energy levels high. Lemon juice is packed with vitamin C, which protects your testosterone-producing cells from damage and helps stabilize blood sugar, important for maintaining healthy hormone levels. Ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory that helps reduce chronic inflammation, which can damage the Leydig cells in your testes that produce testosterone. Regular ginger consumption can boost testosterone by up to 17%. Finally, turmeric and black pepper. Turmeric contains curcumin, a potent anti-inflammatory that helps protect your testosterone levels. Black pepper enhances curcumin absorption by 2000%, making this combo incredibly effective in reducing inflammation and boosting testosterone production. Now, here's the best part. You don't need much to make this powerful mixture. Simply take a tablespoon of rich, extra virgin olive oil, add 1 crushed garlic clove, a teaspoon of fresh lemon juice, half a teaspoon of ginger, and a pinch of turmeric with a dash of black pepper. Mix it all together and take it before dinner, or drizzle it over your meal. This simple, natural blend will help boost your testosterone production, protect your prostate, and improve circulation. Make it a daily habit, and within a few weeks, you'll likely notice improved energy, increased desire, and enhanced performance. Start today and feel the difference. For more health tips and advice, be sure to subscribe to Man Health 360. Let's take control of our health, one step at a time.